James, we've got a critical issue with Mr. Ellis's prescription. The 5 milligrams warfarin tablets are out of stock, and he's due for his dose in an hour. The system shows you have 3 milligrams tablets available. Can we split those?
That's not ideal, Mihira. Tablet splitting isn't recommended for warfarin due to dosage precision risks. Have you checked if the cardiology ward has extras? They sometimes keep emergency reserves.
I did. They're also low. His INR was 2.8 yesterday, so we can't delay. What about compounding a liquid formulation from the powder we have?
That would take 4 hours for quality testing. Here's another thought. We've got the 1 milligram tablets in stock. Could we give 5 of those instead? It's more pills, but maintains accuracy.
That could work, though he has mild dysphagia. Let me check with his consultant about temporarily switching to the 1 milligram regimen. Meanwhile, when will the 5 milligram stock arrive?
The shipment's delayed until Friday due to manufacturing issues. Mahira, I'll escalate this to procurement. We can't keep facing these shortages with high-risk medications. It is completely understandable to feel a bit of uncertainty when extra tests are requested, but please know that these steps are being taken to ensure the absolute best care for both you and your little one. MIHIRA. The reason for these further investigations is to get a clearer picture of why your blood pressure is elevated and why there is protein in your urine. When these two factors occur together, it is important to rule out a condition called preeclampsia. By monitoring things closely now, we can check that the baby is growing exactly as it should be and that your body is handling the physical demands of pregnancy smoothly. Early detection is truly the most powerful tool we have. By identifying any changes right away, we can create a tailored plan for appropriate treatment, which helps prevent complications before they even have a chance to start. Think of these tests as a protective shield that allows for a much safer and more predictable journey toward your due date. MIHIRA. Taking these proactive steps today provides the peace of mind that comes from knowing every detail is being managed with care, keeping the focus right where it belongs, on a healthy, happy transition for your growing family.